The National Investigation Agency has arrested two people wanted in connection with the Pune ISIS module case of 2023, the agency said in a statement. They will be produced before a special court in Mumbai on Saturday. The suspects, identified as Abdullah Fayaz Sheikh alias Daiparwala and Talha Liaquat Khan, both from Pune's Kondwa area, were nabbed on Friday. The statement issued by the NIA on Saturday said both accused, and I quote, were intercepted by the Bureau of Immigration at the Mumbai International Airport T2 when they tried to return to India from Jakarta, Indonesia, where they had been hiding out.
एनआई ने दो लोगों को अरेस्ट किया कल मुंबई एयरपोर्ट से, ऐसा उनका कहना था, और आज उन्होंने कोर्ट में प्रोड्यूस किया। और एनआई ने जो है 15 डेज की पुलिस कस्टडी मांगी थी, बट कंसिडरिंग सारे ग्राउंड्स वगैरह देख के, क्योंकि इस मामले में ऑलरेडी 8 एक्यूज की अरेस्ट हो चुकी है और उन्हीं सभी के खिलाफ चार्जशीट और सप्लीमेंट्री चार्जशीट फाइल हो चुकी है ऑलमोस्ट 1.5 साल पहले। तो इस वजह से जो है कोर्ट ने 15 डेज की कस्टडी ना देते हुए 27 तक यानी 10 दिन की पुलिस कस्टडी दी है।
एनआईए ने इन दोनों का क्या रोल बताया और क्या रिमांड में ऐसे पहलू रखे कि उन्होंने कस्टडी की?
देखिए, रिमांड एप्लीकेशन की कॉपी है जो है एज पर लॉ हमको प्रोवाइड नहीं की जाती है, तो उस बारे में मैं कमेंट्स नहीं कर सकती हूँ। बट जो ओरल सबमिशन यही थे उनके कि ये जो दो पकड़े गए हैं एक्यूज, समहाउ दे वर इन अ कॉन्स्पिरेसी में शामिल थे, और इसी बेसिस पे उन्होंने ये मांगा था, रिमांड मांगा था, और जो उनको मिल गया है। और इनका रोल जो है वो इतना स्पेसिफिकली अभी बताया नहीं गया है, बट यही था कि कोई मीटिंग में ये लोग शामिल थे। ऑल्दो जब एक्यूज से मेरा लीगल इंटरैक्शन हुआ है, एक्यूज ने ये चीज को डिनाई किया है।
According to the agency, both accused, already charge-sheeted along with the other arrested accused in this case, had been engaged in assembling improvised explosive devices at a house rented by Abdullah Sheikh in Kondwa. Between 2022 and 2023, they had also organized and participated in a bomb-making and training workshop, besides carrying out a controlled explosion to test an IED fabricated by them at these premises, the release stated. They were alleged to have conducted bomb tests in the jungles of Pune and other places. Explosive material, tents, a drone, and several electronic devices were seized from their possession, the police said. The accused had non-bailable warrants issued against them by the NIA Special Court in Mumbai and were on the run for the last 2 years. The NIA had, in September 2023, declared a reward of 3 lakh rupees for information on them. After securing their custody from the court, the agency will try to get information regarding their hideouts, the people who helped them with funds, etc., sources said. Besides Abdullah Sheikh and Talha Khan, the others arrested in the cases are Muhammad Imran Khan, Muhammad Yunus Saki, Abdul Qadir Pathan, Simab Nasiruddin Qazi, Zulfikar Ali Barodawala, Shamil Nachan, Akif Nachan, and Shah Nawaz Alam. The agency had previously charge-sheeted all the 10 accused in the case under various sections of the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act, Explosive Substances Act, Arms Act, and the Indian Penal Code. The NIA's release stated that the accused had conspired to commit terrorist acts with the aim to disturb communal harmony by waging a war against the country in furtherance of the ISIS agenda to establish Islamic rule in the country through violence and terror.